Just talk like you're talking to a
Okay. Well, I think we have seen a lot of encouraging news about these new treatments. And for those people who can afford them and live in countries where the medical system allows them to take them, I think there's new hope. But this is a world conference, an international conference, and there are 95% of new infections are in countries that are poor. And for them, these drugs are a pipe dream at the present time. They do not get them. If they got them, if they were to obtain them, they wouldn't have the resources to buy them. If they got them for free, they wouldn't have the medical systems to really get them to the people who are sick. So for them, I think the perception of the conference is quite different. It is like there is a lot of cruelty in that view, in that you have hope for somebody else, but not for yourself.
Do you think the drug companies are taking advantage of the poorest of the poor?
No, I don't think so. I think bashing the drug companies will get us nowhere. There is, of course, the deeper problem of the lack of balance in economic resources between the North and the South, and the fact that the solutions that we have are necessarily expensive. Even if drugs cost half of what they cost, and drug companies wouldn't make any profits, that would still be much too much for most countries in Africa where most infected people are. So I think for the next conference we'll have to move on to other solutions, cheaper drugs, easier to take, and vaccines.
Can I get your card just so I'll be putting it in?